There's really no doubt that Microsoft Exchange is vital to your business. As IT professionals, we are totally reliant on email to get things done. There are a number of ways to ensure Exchange is up and running. First and foremost, you need to monitor the critical processes and services. Counters are important for monitoring performance and load, but not really Exchange availability, which is the single most important thing you need to monitor. A good monitoring system will provide this guidance. Besides the critical counters, here are a few things you should definitely monitor in Exchange. The average number of active sync requests per second will allow you to verify that your mobile workforce devices, such as iPhones, Androids, and Windows phones, remain in sync with the Exchange server. Monitoring your current connections lets you quickly determine the number of users using Exchange so you can easily schedule maintenance at a time that is least likely to impact users. Average response time measures how long users spend waiting for information they've requested. The longer users spend waiting, the more likely they are to think Exchange server is down and call the help desk. Messages delivered sent per second validates your users' emails are being delivered and that messages are being sent. You can monitor mail flow to ensure you are not being used as a spam relay or that your users' workstations haven't been compromised by botnets. Failed LDAP searches usually indicate that something is wrong with Active Directory that could seriously impact Exchange. Monitoring LDAP searches timeout per minute will let you know right away that you have a problem. Here are a few other things you'll need to also keep an eye on as well. Monitoring available virtual memory will help you know when you're running out of virtual memory, which could cause a host of errors and problems, including shutting down the Exchange server. CPU utilization allows you to keep an eye on the percentage of server CPU in use. Running out of disk space in an Exchange environment can cost you dearly. It can result in mail store corruption that can take hours to repair or restore from backup. Monitoring your free disk space is crucial. SMTP queue growth indicates the number of minutes the queue has been growing because it is not sending messages. Windows 2000 Service lets you watch a specific Windows 2000 services and gives an error if a service stops. Windows Service Monitor lets you watch specific Windows services and alerts you should a service stop. X400 queue growth will show you the number of minutes that this queue has been growing because it is not sending messages. Finally, you should monitor the hardware of your Exchange server. If there's an underlying problem with the hardware, the application may not function correctly, and an unforeseen hardware failure can take your application down without any warning. SolarWinds Server and Application Monitor will monitor everything discussed in this video and more. You can generally download and start monitoring your Exchange server in less than an hour. Built-in expert templates help you understand counters, determine thresholds, and learn what to do when an issue arises. Without guidance, you'll spend a lot of time researching and guesstimating what counters are vital and what thresholds are best for your environment. Try SAMP today and start increasing your Exchange uptime.